Sat Sri Akal, welcome to this video. 31st July of this year marks 147th anniversary of Singh Sabha movement. This movement was started in 1873 by prominent and dedicated Sikh personalities as a Sikh response to the challenges Sikhs faced with the colonization of Punjab. This movement made remarkable contribution towards establishing Sikh identity and redefining it in the modern world. Revivalist in nature, this movement brought groundbreaking change in the lifestyle and religious practices of the Sikhs, the impact of which can still be felt. In the present tumultuous times for the Sikh community, this movement can be a great inspiration for the new movements required in this new age. Let's listen more about it. Sikh history is brimming with the accounts of challenging situations Sikhs withstood, both internal and external. However, it is the Sikh response to these which has every single time established new thresholds and has motivated the upcoming generations. Such is the story of Singh Sabha movement. Soon after the British annexation of Khalsa Raj, Sikhs suffered a huge fall in terms of power in Punjab. A considerable chunk of populace which embraced Sikhism during the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh returned to their past practices. A majority of the remaining community was marred by the prevalence of religious patronization, practice of caste and rituals, and female infanticide, which have no acceptance in Sikhism. Many prominent Sikh personalities took up the task of purging Sikh community of the practices which they felt are far from what gurus had taught. Nirankaris, who were followers of Baba Dayal Singh of Peshawar, and Namtaris, known as Kukas of Baba Ram Singh, were a sect started in this direction. However, were limited in scope and nature. Added to this degeneration among Sikhs was external pressure from Christian missionary campaigns and vile activities of Arya Samaj, which preached against the very existence of Sikhism as a separate faith. The news of the conversion of Maharaja Ranjit Singh's youngest son, Maharaja Dalip Singh, later of Harchand Singh of Kapurthala dynasty, to Christianity, came as a striking blow to the tiny Sikh community. On the February 1852, the headquarters of Church Missionary Organization was established in Amritsar, which just in 3 years opened 375 new branches and converted more than 27,000 people into Christianity. In the year 1862, Punjab Missionary Conference was held, which increased the pace of Christian missionary activities through convent schools, colleges, and other job opportunities. In 1873, 4 Sikh students of Amritsar Mission School came up with a wish to convert to Christianity. This event generated a common will among Sikhs to start an institutionalized effort to tackle the problems in the present situation. On 31st July of the same year, Sardar Thakur Singh Sandhawalia, Baba Khem Singh Bedi, Raja Bikrama Singh Faridkot, Professor Gurmukh Singh, and many other personalities formed Singh Sabha Amritsar in a huge gathering of Sikhs. In the following years, Khalsa schools and newspaper were also established. In the initial years, its main focus was on historical research and towards building a consensus on several significant issues of Sikh theology by long, positive discussions. The success of Singh Sabha Amritsar led to the formation of Singh Sabha Lahore in 1880, which nurtured movement's shining stars, namely Professor Gurmukh Singh, Bhai Dit Singh, Bhai Maya Singh, Bhai Jawahar Singh, and Bhai Khan Singh Nabha. Professor Gurmukh Singh travelled to far distant places for prachar and formed Singh Sabhas in other districts of Punjab. Gyani Dit Singh and Bhai Khan Singh Nabha published many books and essays, forming a Sikh intellectual response and propagating the sovereignty of Sikh doctrines. Books like Hum Hindu Nahi by Bhai Khan Singh Nabha and Nakli Sikh Prabodh by Gyani Dit Singh are worthwhile to mention. Due to this phenomenal groundwork and the institutionalized framework laid by this movement, Sikh community was able to start the Gurdwara Sudhar movement in early 20s, which led to the formation of Shromani Akali Dal and Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee in 1920. This movement had an everlasting impact on the religious life of Sikhs. Coherent ceremonies related to marriage, childbirth, death, and other occasions were mostly promulgated during this period. Sikh missionary institutes and Singh Sabha Gurdwaras all around the world are most vivid of its legacies. Singh Sabha movement's history presents us with the benchmarks of dedication and diligence required for such new movements crucial in this new age. The present state of Sikh institutions and overall discourse around it is in dire need of a monumental change and improvement. The in-depth study and digital propagation of this admirable movement can inculcate a refreshing spirit among the Sikh youth, thus opening up new prospects of Chardi Kala of the Panth. Thanks for watching.